Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2017 Jeep Renegade Latitude, stock number E1177PB. Only 10,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Hypergreen in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very clean inside and out. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. And backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. This Latitude has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Push button start. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 10,000 miles. With driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Easy to operate touchscreen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Compass display, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Renegade has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 60% of tire tread left. For more information on this Renegade, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.